This is the Singer 7134. It makes buttonholes with a whip stitch and barred ends. I find this machine to be as beautiful as it is functional. Now I'll show the integrated bobbin winder. And I'll cut forward, and you can see that it automatically disengages when the bobbin's full. You can see here that the bobbin and case is easy to load and unload from the front of the machine. I removed this cover to access the buttonhole length adjustment. And these tools came with the machine. They're Semenco products and original to the machine. A number of adjustments can be made to this machine, such as distance between stitches, number of barring stitches, the width of the bight, the length of the cutting space. This is the buttonhole length gauge. Here I am lining the guide up with the indicator mark on the machine, and then you put the adjustment screw against the guide. It works quite well and is surprisingly accurate. The 7134 will make buttonholes from 3/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch long. It cuts both threads and the hole automatically after stitching.